Welcome to our tutorial on how to follow a topic from your home timeline on Twitter using your PC. Following topics on Twitter allows you to stay updated on discussions and news that matter to you. Let's walk through the simple steps. First, open Twitter on your PC. You can do this by visiting the Twitter website and logging into your account. Next, find the topic you would like to follow. This could be a trending hashtag, a specific event, or any topic of interest that you want to stay informed about. Once you've identified the topic you want to follow, look for the follow button next to the suggested topic. This button is usually located near the topic name or description. Click or tap on the follow button to start following the topic. By doing this, you will see tweets related to the topic in your home timeline, keeping you engaged with the latest updates and discussions. Following topics on Twitter is a great way to customize your timeline and engage with content that aligns with your interests. Start exploring new topics and expanding your Twitter experience by following these straightforward steps. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on how to make the most out of your Twitter usage. Happy following!